Hey guys, so this is the Jeffree Star Lucky Bag 2021. And the first thing I'm pulling out here is this huge, just like Japanese paper. I'm actually not really sure what this is. It does have a little bit of a thank you on it, and I think it is meant to be hung up, but I probably will end up throwing this away. Also want to say it's my first year getting this box, and I'm just doing an unboxing with you guys. So the first thing I'm pulling out is a bunch of packaging. And next is a Jeffree Star Skin Frost. And this is in the shade Siberian Gold. And I have to say I have a lot of Jeffree Star products. I have his concealer, his powder, which I don't really like. Love the concealer though. But I have never tried his highlighters before. So I'm really excited to be able to try it, and it's not too dark for me, which I have seen other people get highlighters that were like a really strange color or just like too dark for them. This would probably look better on me with a tan, but let's just try it on camera here. And I'm using the Milani highlighter brush. Oh, it's really pretty. I want to try more of them now. Heard really good things about the Skin Frost. And I really like the packaging too. So I'm really happy so far. Let's keep on going here. So the next item is more packaging. And I'm pulling out a gloss. It says The Gloss on it. And this is in the shade Paid in Full, which is a kind of nude with lots of shimmer and glitter in there. I'm going to hold on and see if maybe there's a liquid lipstick or something I can put this on top of, because he is known for putting those in the box. Oh, I was right. Okay, so the next one is a liquid lipstick, which I have never tried a Jeffree Star liquid lipstick. Really excited. This is in Rose Madder. Seems like a shade that I would wear. Nothing like black or blue. Pretty color. Heard amazing things about his liquid lipstick, so pretty excited to try this. And I will try this with you guys on camera. Wow, this is a really good formula. It's not drying at all. I like the color. So far, I'm really loving this box. I'm really glad I got it. Let's keep on going. So I'm looking at myself to see if I like this color. And I do. Oh, this is so pretty. Thumbs up. Next, I have the Jeffree Star Velour Lip Scrub. And this is the flavor Diet Root Beer. And I smelled it. Oh, it says Shane Dawson. So it's Shane Dawson, and it just says Shane Dawson on there. So I guess it's Shane Dawson x Jeffree Star. I like that it says Diet Root Beer, not regular root beer, even though it smells like root beer. Like, you can't, like, smell diet versus regular. But that's just funny. Okay, so I'm going to try the gloss on top of the liquid lipstick. Oh, really like it. I love the formula. I like how juicy it makes my lips look. Yeah, really happy with this box so far. The Velour Lip Scrub is something that I'm not really that excited about, because I really don't use lip scrub that often, but maybe I will try it. So the next product is the, came in this box. So there was another box within the box. And it is this really huge mirror, which is like a Shane Dawson Jeffree Star mirror. Look how cute it is. And like, I absolutely adore this mirror. It's just like the perfect size. And I just think I love holding it in my hand. So I'm really glad this came. At first I thought it was a t-shirt, but I'm kind of glad that it's this mirror. Pretty cool. Next is the Jawbreaker eyeshadow palette. So I looked on Beautylish.com and I couldn't find this palette at all. So I don't know if it's limited edition or if it's like only in the box. But I have a few Jeffree Star palettes and I'm really excited. This is so pretty. Oh my god. Wow. This box is like, I'm going to give this box an A+. 10 out of 10. Would recommend. It's so pretty. It's like confetti. I have the Orgy palette and I have the cremated palette, but I don't have like a colorful palette from him, and this is so cool. And it's on the Beautylish website. So really like this box and I really recommend it. Thank you guys for joining me, and if you like these videos, please like and subscribe. Love you guys. Bye.